If your Linux server is online, it's already being targeted by bots and hackers. The good news? A few simple security steps can dramatically reduce your risk. Here are the essential Linux server hardening tips every website owner should know. Step 1. Update your server. Outdated software is one of the biggest security risks. Security patches matter. Step 2. Secure SSH access. Change the default SSH port, disable root login, and use SSH keys instead of passwords. And disable password authentication for better protection. Step 3. Enable a firewall. Only allow essential ports like SSH, HTTP, HTTPS. A firewall helps block unwanted traffic before it reaches your server. Step 4. Install Fail2ban. Fail2ban automatically blocks repeated login attacks. It's simple and extremely effective. Step 5. Use backups and HTTPS. Always maintain automated backups and enable SSL certificates. HTTPS protects user data and improves trust. And remember, a backup is useless if you never test it. Linux server security doesn't need to be complicated. A properly updated and hardened server is already safer than many systems online today. Like, subscribe, and follow for more Linux, hosting, cybersecurity, and server management tips.